So the second case is when you have this. The blue face is solved and the rest is not solved. So you first have one face that have one unsolved, one face that have two unsolved, and another face with only one unsolved. So now you want to start with either one of the one unsolved faces, put it at the bottom, and then you can move this piece up. So here, this unsolved piece is on the right, so you move it to the left, and then U, and then L again. And then you can move it back, and then move it, and then you can move it to the correct slot. And then for this one, same thing. So you can move this in, and then move this in. So now you get the first case. So pair it up like this, and then do the algorithm. And then your Pyraminx is solved. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, then please consider subscribing and smash that like button. Bye.